If you're looking for a reliable hose to upgrade your dust collection system, this 4-inch diameter, 20-foot clear flexible hose is worth considering. Made from high-quality PVC, it combines durability with easy installation, so you get a hassle-free setup that lasts. What sets this hose apart is its ultra-flexible design reinforced with spring steel wire. This means it's tough enough to handle heavy use while remaining easy to maneuver around tight corners or complex setups. No more kinks or folds slowing down your workflow. This hose is ideal for clear-view dust collection systems, allowing you to keep an eye on dust, debris, and vapor filtration in real time. Whether you're working with sawdust collectors, indoor ventilation ducts, or 4-inch PVC dust collection setups, it fits perfectly and performs consistently. Versatility is another key benefit. It works seamlessly with various industrial and centralized dust collection systems. Plus, the included key hose clamps fit snugly over the hose, ensuring a tight, secure connection that won't slip or leak during operation. Safety matters in any workshop. This hose offers dual protection with chemical and heat resistance, helping to maintain a safe environment even during demanding tasks. It's built to withstand the challenges of your workspace without compromising performance. The quality extends beyond the hose itself. The key hose clamps are made from non-corrosive stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting strength and resistance to rust. Meanwhile, the PVC hose's steel spring wire reinforcement guarantees it won't collapse under pressure, keeping your system running smoothly. Customers across the United States have praised this hose for its durability and functionality. One user highlighted how it didn't kink and handled heavy use with ease, making it a perfect extension for their dust collection system. Positive feedback like this confirms its value in real-world applications. If you need a durable, flexible hose that delivers clear visibility, secure connections, and reliable performance, this 4-inch clear flexible hose is a solid choice. Worth a look if you want to improve your dust collection setup with a product built to last. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your system.